Dongguan Xinsheng Hardware Machinery Factory was established in September 2009, focusing on the development and production of various metal wire bending machines. CNC bending machines include spring machines, 2D and 3D wire bending machines. They are controlled by CNC computers and use servo motors for wire feeding and bending, with higher precision and more flexible operation. The number of axes can be added or subtracted according to the product. Equipment can also be customized according to user needs. Hydraulic bending machine meets the higher power requirements of products. They are equipped with molds and CNC control systems to complete automated wire forming. It can complete punching, chamfering, pier head, thread rolling, welding, and other secondary processes to achieve multi-action bending. These include paint roller handle making machine, bucket handle making machine, hose clamp bending machine, etc. The mechanical bending machine is characterized by its high speed and the gear or chain transmission principle driven by the motor. The equipment includes strapping buckle machine, hammer making machine, hammer hook making machine, etc. Xinsheng Machinery Company has a professional after-sales team to provide users with timely after-sales service and ensure after-sales guarantee. Under the management and leadership of the founder, the company has moved forward steadily, always adhering to its original intention to be a conscientious machine and a machine that users can trust. The R&D Center is responsible for many important tasks such as product research and development, technological innovation, and experimental testing. The Quality Inspection Department can ensure the quality of the product. The PMC Department is responsible for material control. Xinsheng Machinery Factory has been focusing on the field of wire bending machines for 15 years. Xinsheng Factory has won multiple national awards and holds 31 patents. Its products have passed multiple world authoritative certifications such as ISO, SGS, TUE, CE, etc. Welcome to visit Xinsheng Factory.